Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. So today we're gonna be reacting to a video. You guys really seem to enjoy these kinds of videos because this is where we react to videos, and you guys really just like to make a fool of me in these videos. For example, this comment right here that says that I say hunter instead of hunters. Hunters, okay? I'll remember that for the next time, okay? I'm so sorry. But huge thank you on the last reaction video I made of Dream the Grand Finale. And today we're going to be reacting to JJ Olatunji. I was about to say KSI, it is technically JJ Olatunji. Okay, and you can see it right here on the screen right now. We are of course subscribed. I'm also going to push the bell. You guys should do the same with my channel down there. Push the bell and subscribe to the channel, of course. But yeah, he has supposedly hit 10 million subscribers, and once you do that, you get a diamond play button. And he already did that on his KSI channel. He's also about to do it on his Sidemen channel, and probably in a couple of years he's also gonna do it on more Sidemen. So that's absolutely crazy. I think he's already the first ever YouTuber to actually hit 10 million subscribers on 2 channels, and if he can do it on 3 or 4 channels, absolutely crazy. So I will give KSI a sick review. The video is called "The Only YouTuber with 2 Diamond Play Buttons." He is indeed the only YouTuber on the whole YouTube platform with 2 diamond play buttons. Oh, look at those numbers going up, 10 million, amazing, absolutely. And now we have the diamond play button. That looks beautiful. I told you, it's Beerus coming for it.
Beerus, it's time to give me what I want. The diamond play button.
You okay, Simon?
You want to play with me, huh? You want to play? Is that what you got?
I swear to God, it looks like KSI. He legit just can't hold his laugh behind. Okay, this is some Super Saiyan BS. Alright. Yo, this looks like something I think Joe Shep, he's called, would do. There's gonna be a link of him right here on the screen, but absolutely crazy. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. Oh, okay. I've gotta pause it right here because I gotta say something. You really have to be like very good at entertaining people if you can stand in front of a green screen and pretty much just, I'm gonna be honest, look like an idiot fighting a bearish. But yeah, I mean, like, so far he has a lot of humor. That's what KSI is also very known for. He has given his audience a lot of humor. So, but let's just continue this. And Beerus is dodging them all. Yep. And KSI, he's just going ham. He wants his diamond play button. Oh my God, is that the end of Beerus? Nope. Beerus is still Gucci. Okay, Beerus is okay. Yo, I can already see this. I think Simon is legit next to him in this green man suit. There's probably also gonna be a little screen dump of that right now, but I can legit see somebody just holding him. Look at this. You can legit see that it's somebody holding Beerus. It's holding him in the back and moving him. And every single time KSI gets touched, oh no, of course it's a bear, so it's not very hard technically, but with all of the edits he's putting into it, it's of course looking very painful. I mean, like, it's pretty good acting. Let's just say that. It's pretty good acting. And KSI is still laughing. Amazing. Drop that. Yo, Beerus is just dodging everything here. Everything, absolutely. Oh, damn. Oh, my God. Yo, KSI is going ham. And Beerus... Oh, now it's his turn. Yo, those edits, though. It reminds me of KSI's old FIFA videos where, like, beast mode and explosions everywhere. Run, KSI, run! Oh, he got shot. He's still alive, though. He's making a run for it. Oh my God. He's gonna jump. Oh, okay. No, he's just gonna hit himself through it. Oh my God. Come on, Barris.
Too slow.
It's some good jabs coming from KSI. Good jabs. Good jabs. Barris is turning super. Oh no. Alright. Alright. All of this green screen, I swear to God. I mean, like, if you can't go outside during a COVID pandemic, you have to find something to do. It's legit just Simon holding Paris. It's absolutely crazy.
Your power level is unreal.
It's over 9,000! Yo, okay, brightness, hello. Okay, I think Barris just exploded the whole planet. Okay, Syed's just chilling there. Okay, I'm ready for this. Oh, Barris. He's gonna fly? Come on, Simon, make him fly. Make him fly. Nope. Oh my god. This is definitely some Dragon Ball. I'm sorry, but he's Super Saiyan. Matrix. Yo, those sounds. Come get a recap of that. Yo, man, Paris is going crazy. Yo, you go no chance. You got no chance. Up against the wall. Oh no. Is Paris just gonna come for your ass? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Use the teleportation. Just go ham on him. Oh. And now he's just ready again. He's never gonna make it. Nope. I knew it. He's never gonna get to do that.
I can't beat him.
No, JJ. JJ, you can't do that. You can't say that.
There's only one way to beat him.
Drop the banner and have blue hair.
Transform.
Yeah, transform. I swear to God, I've never watched it before.
I don't know if I can reach that power level yet.
Oh, come on, JJ, come on.
One way to find out.
Come on, ole Jido, ole Chunji. Oh, damn. Oh my god, get on Barris' level. Get on Barris' level. What is this? Isn't he called Goku in the Dragon Ball world? I swear to God.
Welcome.
Reminds me a lot of it. Drop your blue hair, KSI. Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
Wait, so.
that was legit so bad editing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That's pretty good. But this. Legit. Oh. Oh, kneecap to the jaw. And now they're going up. Okay, okay. It reminds me of some ping pong right here. That's just going ham. That's just going ham. Absolutely crazy. Yo, brightness again. Okay, you love those. Oh no. KSI. Just slapping them. Oh no. Oh, come on, KSI. You can do it.
What is this? Is this all you've got?
Barris up there. Oh no. What is going on? What is going on? now he doesn't look.
Dear God.
Off with the glasses. Yo, Barris is going cray cray. Come Come on, KSI. More brightness. We love to see it.
Alright, it's time to end this. Ferris, you really think...
Come on, let us see your blue hair.
really thought you could defeat me?
Are you gonna transform again?
Not today! Give me my diamond play button!
Oh, we gotta bleep that out.
It is mine!
You gotta remember those kids. Oh my god, that's a well edit. Yeah. Oh, Barris, don't die, Machi! No!
It is done.
I don't think Barris is gone yet. I think he's still there. You did it? What do you mean? Is Barris gone? He has the diamond play button.
Yes!
Yes! Yes!
Yeah!
KSI did it. JJ Olatunji did it, not KSI. KSI did it long time ago. What now?
Woo!
Oh,
And that, ladies
now
and
we're home.
gentlemen,
Now we're home.
is how I have 2 of these bad boys.
You had to
Jeez,
fight
your
hard
boy
for them.
is
Oh my
stuck
god.
in
Yeah.
diamond plaques.
Yeah, you can even look at my face. Look at my face.
In diamond plaques.
Looks like I'm at a party, light party.
2 diamond plaques. It's mad. But in all seriousness, thank you guys so much for all this.
No problem, my
that
G.
you've given me. We're doing this
You
shit
guys
for
all
10
gotta
plus
subscribe to
years,
this
man.
channel.
And it is crazy, just all the things that I've accomplished. It's unreal.
Yeah.
And I'm always still breaking boundaries, always changing people's perception on what a YouTuber can do. Yeah, man.
Yeah, true.
This is huge. Like to have 2 of these, man. Mental. And if Simon hits 10 mil before the
Exactly.
yo, I'm gonna have 3 of these. But yeah,
Exactly.
my friends, my family, my girlfriend for getting me.
Yeah, let's do that again.
But yeah, big up my friends,
Friends, family, girlfriend.
Get me into this position, and yeah, it's mad. And of course, big shout out to Mo, the editor, Mo Syed.
Yes.
Yeah, Syed. I like saying Syed. But yeah, big up to him. I definitely would not have got these bad boys. Well, okay, maybe this one without him. Definitely not this one without him.
Yeah, true. True.
But yeah.
Now I'm thinking about it. It seems like at this clip back here, this clip here, I think. Yes. Look how dirty it is. Look how you can see it here in the light. Look how dirty it is. It looks like that it is this play button, which is very dirty because, of course, this is the new one. The one to the right, without a doubt, the new one, without a doubt. So I think he actually used old play button in his video because this one is much more dirty. Because I didn't really think about cleaning it. Maybe myth busting.
These bad boys. Well, okay, maybe this one without him. Definitely not this one without him.
Exactly,
But,
exactly.
Yeah, nah, he's helped me a lot. And of course,
Yeah.
how could I forget? Big old Broshep, fam.
Exactly, I told you it was Broship. His name was. I mentioned him before. Roll the clip. Yo, this looks like something. I think Joe Shep, he's called, would do. There's gonna be a link of him right here on the screen, but absolutely crazy. But yeah, I mean, like Broship, I could imagine him making this video for him.
Broshep has done a madness. Like, did you watch that shit? What the hell was that? It's mental. You know, if you haven't subscribed to Broshep, subscribe to him.
Yeah,
man.
true. Okay, go and subscribe to JJ Olatunji, KSI, Broshep, Mo Shahid, and of course Lotz down there. Just about 2 inches below this video. Just press the red button and then click the bell and hear that little bell notification whenever it comes, and go and check out the videos.
I'm sure he's going to be producing even more content for you guys.
Well, happy to hear that.
This has been your boy, GDBT. Yo, we did it, baby. We did it.
Amazing.
Mad. Yo, mwah,
Mwah.
mwah. Alright, yo,
Mwah.
I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care.
Peace. Yo, man. Alright. Absolutely crazy video to react to. I love KSI. I've watched him for so many years. And I just thought to get back into this reaction bit, it's a good thing to react to KSI. He's a well-known dude, and I do not expect him to also respond to this video. Definitely don't think he's gonna do that, but absolutely crazy of a video. Thank you so much to KSI for producing this video and also to give so much entertainment to the YouTube platform. He's one of the original ones, one of the OG ones. He's been there since I think 2009 or something like that. He was even there before PewDiePie, so absolutely crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you want to, please go down and leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Press that little bell down there and also hear that little bell sound coming when you do so. And yeah guys, also go and follow me on these two social medias right here. Maybe in the future we can do some Q&As or something like that. And down in the Discord down below, you can also go and join the Discord right there, and yeah, we can talk, chat, and yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys the next time. Peace.